Hello, this time I made some combination of microwave technology and microcontroller engineering. It's a mixture. The upper side of this board consisting directional coupler, and the forward power is divided to end, and this end will detect the forward power and this end will detect the reverse power. And each of the power is rectified switch Schottky diode and converting the microwave energy to the DC voltage. And the detected DC voltage is sensed by microcontroller 80 MHz 328, and the result will shown on the OLED display. Now let's see how it works. Just applying the DC voltage 3.3 volt will show currently the forward power and the reverse power is 0. Both are 0 because I don't apply any microwave power. Now let's connect the source and the termination. Now I will switch on the power at the 2 GHz. So you see currently showing only the forward power is around 27-28. This means all of the power is detected the forward end and there is no power collected at the end of the reverse isolated port. Now let's see what happens if we yes. Now the termination is detached and the power from the source is reflected back and go to this end. And as you see, both ends detecting some power. This means there is a reflection, total reflection at the end of the directional coupler. Of course, I connect the termination. It goes to the original state, almost 0. It's a good termination. Have fun.